Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial on how to create a chat application using Flutter and Django as the backend. Alright, today I am going to show you how to implement DIO as our helper or as the package which we use to make network calls. So the first thing we have to do is to go to our prospect.yaml file, and then we get the DIO package. We say DIO, and then one other thing that we need in our in this tutorial is the shared preferences or the shared preferences package, which will help us to save user data across app or across restart of the app. So let's get that too. Let's get shared preferences. To make sure that we have gotten our packages, we can go to the terminal and say flutter pub get. Once that is executed, we should have DIO and shared preferences. Then we head over to our lib folder. Inside the lib folder, we go to, there is a folder I created which is called core, and then under it we have services. Under services, I'll create a file and name it API service.dat. So now we create our API service. First off, we create an enum class. Then we create another class which we'll call auth holder. Now we create our API service or our API service class. Okay, here we get the base URL, and if we are running the app as a debug app or in the debug mode, maybe using our Android emulator, so we can our base URL will be this HTTP 10.0.2.2. While when we build the app as a distributable APK, we can use this. Okay, let's proceed. let's fix this error here. It says undefined. Alright, we delete this and then put it down here. Right, we don't have any errors. With this API service, we can now put, post, delete, and get data from our backend. Thank you for watching to this point. In our next tutorial, we will implement our authentication using this API service where we will log in and sign up. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.